everyone, this is Jaipreet Ma'am. Hope all of you are doing good. And today we are going to start our new session for grade 9, and the topic is circles. So before that, let me give you an introduction of Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. Here we provide you 100% live and interactive classes. We have a personalized attention batch with maximum 6 students only, so that teacher can focus on each and every student. We have a dedicated academic mentor team, the team of experts who track your child's progress, and we cover syllabus as per school exam schedule, and we also handle custom requests. Let's see some key features of Swiflearn. Here we provide you detailed progress report in which every learning parameter is discussed in detail. We have a Swiflearn academic test series. Student can take part and can win scholarship also. Here student can take unlimited practice tests, both objective and subjective are available here. So visit our website swiflearn.com and book your free trial now. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. You can also contact us on these numbers. So these numbers, save these numbers and contact us for your free trial classes and other queries. So let's begin our session. Circles. So the topic is circle, and this is going to be very super amazing session. So we will talk about what basically circles are, and the terms related to the circle and types of circle. Let's discuss first what is circle. So everyone likes to go to the fun fair or amusement park. There we saw merry-go-round, and everyone likes to play with the ball. Is it basketball, whether it is football or the cricket ball? So what is the similarity between these two figures? What is common between these two figures? Yes, they are in circular shape, and we have so many examples like a bangle and many other things that is in a circular shape, that is in a circular form. So let's see the definition of a circle. A circle is a shape with all the points at the same distance from its center. A circle is a round shaped that has no corners and no edges. So how it is formed of all the points with all the points at the same distance from the center? Basically, the circle is formed of the infinite points that are connected to each other. That forms a circle. When we connect and we get a shape, that is circle. So many infinite points together. And what is a straight line? Straight line means between the 2 points. So when the 2 lines join together, there is a corner or vertex. So with no corners or no edges. So this is round in shape. A circle is a shape with all the points at the same distance from the center. So this is a circle, and this is a center, and this is the points on the circle. That means this length, this length, this length will be same. If it's 1 centimeter, it will be 1, it will be 1, and it will be 1 centimeter. Okay, this is the basic definition of the circle. Now remember, circle is formed of this so many points, infinite points. When we join together and we will get a shape, that is circle. So there are so many terms related to the circle. Let's have a look one by one and let's learn them in detail. So we have center, diameter, sector, semicircle, arc, circumference, radius. So let's learn these terms one by one. So first of all, we will define what is center of a circle. The point from which we made a circle, that point is the center of the circle. Now how we draw a circle? We use a compass, we put a point and we draw a circle. So this point is known as the center of the circle. In this figure, O is the center of the circle. The center in a circle, the center point in a circle from which all the distance to the points on the circle are equal. So there are points on the circle, right? So this distance is same. Okay, from the center to the points on the circle, the distance is same, like this. This distance is same, this is same. So this is center of the circle. Let's learn one more term related to the circle, that is radius. So from center to the point on the circle, this distance now, this distance, this is center, and this distance is known as the radius of a circle. Okay, and let's learn diameter. Diameter is a line, straight line, that passes through the center of the circle. It always passes through the center of the circle and joins the 2 points on the circles. Look, these are the points on the circle and it passes through the center of the circle on the circumference or the perimeter. Perimeter means the distance. This whole distance is known as the perimeter, and in case of circle we call it as circumference. We call it as circumference. Okay, so these are the terms related to the circle, and let's see the relationship between the radius and the diameter. So this is a point of center, and here I have already told you this to this is known as the radius. That means this will be same. This is also a radius because it's from the point, center point of the circle to the point on the circle. That means twice r is equal to diameter, because diameter means r plus r. So this whole is diameter and it is equal to twice the radius. For example, if radius is given is 2 centimeter and you have to find out the diameter, use the relationship twice r. Okay, so we will use the relationship twice r, and the diameter is equal to 2 times 2, that is 4 centimeter. Okay, it's always double. So let's learn one more thing related to the circle, and that is circumference. As I have already told you, this outer distance, this distance around the circle is known as the circumference. Let's visualize how circumference looks like. Okay, so let's visualize the circumference. Okay, so this is a circle and this is the circumference of the circle. Okay, if we'll cut it from here and it will be a straight line, this whole distance is known as the circumference of a circle. Okay, so these are the area of a circle. Area of a circle is pi r square and circumference is 2 pi area of a circle is given here pi r square. So pi r square, r is our radius square, and it's pi. Pi has a fixed value, that is 22/7, or we can use 3.14 also. So it's your choice. You can use any value, or sometimes it's given in the question. You have to choose this particular value of the pi. Okay, this is known as the pi. Okay, let's I will show you. The pi looks like this. Pi is like this. Okay, so let's learn what is arc of a circle. Arc of a circle is a portion of the circumference. Circumference का एक portion, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Arc. For example, this is point A and point A. This part is known as the arc. A part of the curve along the perimeter of the circle is known as the arc. Now we have two types of arc. One is major arc and another is minor arc. So as the name suggests, major means the more portion. So from this point to this point, this yellow point is known as the major arc and this blue is known as the minor arc. That means the longest arc created by the 2 points is known as major arc, and the shorter arc created by the 2 points is known as the minor arc. So till now we have learned so many terms related to the circle. We have learned radius, center of a circle, types of arc, what is arc. We have also visualized the circumference of the circle and the area of a circle, that is equal to pi r square. And we are going to learn some more terms related to the circle, that is, now we are going to learn what is sector. So everyone likes to eat a cake. So this is a cake and this is a piece of a cake. This is center and we are cutting a portion of the cake. So this is known as the sector. This is known as sector. So it's very easy to remember. Just remember a piece of a cake. Okay. But what is a sector is formed by joining the endpoints on the arc. Arc's endpoints are A and B. Okay. And center is O with center. It's very important. It should be piece of a cake, but it's cut with the from the center like this. Okay, this part is known as the sector of a circle. Okay, we have some more terms related to the to the circle. We have a major sector and we have a minor sector. Minor sector means the small portion, and the major are response to the major sector. Okay. So we have two more important terms, and these terms are chord and tangent. So what is chord and what is tangent? Let's discuss. A line segment that joins two points present on a curve is called as a chord. कोई भी दो पॉइंट सर्कल पे हम ले लेते हैं पॉइंट A एंड पॉइंट B. ये दो पॉइंट है सर्कल पे एंड ये ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं. ओके, इट्स अ लाइन सेगमेंट एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड अ chord. This is called as a chord, and this is also a chord, and this is basically a diameter which passes through the center of the circle. That means the longest chord is known as the diameter. Longest chord is known as diameter. Okay. Let's learn what is tangent. A line in the plane of the circle that intersects the circle at a point. इस point पे वो intersect सिर्फ only at one point. Remember, it's very important, on a one point. So this is called a tangent. An important result is that the radius from the center of the circle to the point of the tangency is perpendicular. So I have told you this small squares defines a perpendicular, and perpendicular we can write like this. Just flip T and write R. This is perpendicular, and perpendicular means the angle here is 90 degree. That means it's a right angle. Okay, it's 90 degree. So it's 90 degree to this tangent line. This is known as the tangent line. Okay, is it clear? Okay. And one more thing, so let me ask you a question. Write your answer in the comment box. So how many tangents we can form on the circle? Yeah, we can form, as I have told you, that the circle is formed of infinite points. So there can be infinite tangents on the circle. Okay. So do you have any idea of the types of circle? Because our the terms related to the circle, we have almost completed all the terms that are related to the circles, and very important, we should know all these terms, and because they are going to help us to solve the question and other concepts. And now we are going to learn how many types of circle there are. So basically there are four main types of circle. So first is concentric circle, second is equal circle, third is circumscribed circle, and fourth is inscribed circles. So we have four main types of the circle. Let's see what is concentric circle. Very simple. जो एक पॉइंट से हम जिनका सेंटर पॉइंट सेम हो, सेंटर पॉइंट इज सेम एंड रेडियस इज डिफरेंट, this is known as concentric circle. Let's see the definition. Two or more circles said to be concentric if they have same center but different radius. Center same hai but radius is different, because it will be 2 if we are taking, it will be 3, it will be 4. Okay. So let's learn another type of circle, that is known as equal circle. Circles are said to be equal if they have equal radius. अब वो वाले सर्कल्स इक्वल होंगे जिनका इक्वल रेडियस होगा. अगर ये 1.5 सेंटीमीटर का रेडियस है तो इसका मतलब ये भी 1.5 सेंटीमीटर का रेडियस होगा. सो वी कैन कॉल देम इक्वल सर्कल्स इफ दे हैव सेम रेडियस. ओके, लेट्स लर्न अनदर टाइप ऑफ द सर्कल. ये सर्कल क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज एनी पॉलीगॉन एंड वी हैव अ सर्कल. We have a circle that touches its vertices. This is known as vertices of a circle. Sorry, polygon. So this is vertices. Yeah. So a circle that passes through all the vertices of the polygon is known as circumscript circle, and the polygon is known as inscript polygon. क्योंकि ये सर्कल के अंदर है. सर्कल जो सर्कल फॉर्म होगा, पास करेगा, जो टच करेगा, यू कैन ऑल्सो रिमेंबर लाइक दिस, विच पासिस थ्रू ऑल द पॉइंट्स, ऑल द vertices of the polygon is known as circumscript circles. And inscript circle is just opposite of it. The circle is formed inside the polygon and polygon is outside the circle. This is known as inscript circles क्योंकि किसी polygon के अंदर है. A circle that touches all the sides of the polygon is called inscript circles. Okay, so these were the four main types of the circle, and there are some points of the circle. So circle divides the plane into 3 points, 3 parts actually: interior, exterior, and on the circle. Let's see what is interior. Interior, we all know the inside of something. This is interior. Okay, points inside the circle. कोई भी point inside the circle, for example center of a circle, वो कहाँ होता है? Inside the circle. So this is known as interior point. यहाँ भी अगर कोई point होगा, यहाँ पे भी कोई point होगा, यहाँ पे भी कोई point होगा, so that is known as the interior point of the circle. Now what is exterior point of the circle? That is outside the boundary of the circle, not on outside the boundary of a circle. It can be anywhere. Okay, so this is known as the exterior point. Now what is on the circle? On the circle, the points on the circle, this on the circumference, this is known as the points on the circle. Okay, so let's learn one more term related to the circle, that is known as semicircle. Semicircle means actually the half of the circle. When both the arcs are equal, the region enclosed by major and minor arc is equal, by each arc along its diameter is called the semicircle. This is called the semicircle. The shape of the semicircle is like this. Okay, so we have learned so many things till now. अब तक इतना कुछ पढ़ लिया हमने. टर्म्स रिलेटेड टू सर्कल्स पढ़ ली, टाइप्स ऑफ सर्कल पढ़ लिया, इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स पढ़ लिए, एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट्स पढ़ लिए. अब देखते हैं आपको कुछ क्विज कर लेते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ मच यू हैव रिमेंबर. द सेंटर ऑफ ए सर्कल लाइज इन डैश ऑफ द सर्कल. कहाँ पे होगा सेंटर? इंटीरियर, करेक्ट. And next, the point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius. In dash, greater होगा radius से, that means it will be outside, exterior. And the longest chord I have already told you, that is the diameter of the circle. These fill-ups, these can be asked in the form of multiple choice also. So these are oftenly asked in your examination. Very important questions. So let's explore more. How many tangents can a circle have? Yes, it have infinitely many, because circle is formed of infinitely many points. So it can have many tangents. So let's check your knowledge. A tangent to a circle intersect it is only at one point. Okay. Next question is, a line intersecting a circle in its 2 points is called as its secant. And another one is, a circle can have a parallel tangents at most. At most उसके 2 ही parallel tangent होंगे. कैसे? For example, this is a circle. एक point पे meet होता है और एक point पे meet होगा. So it can only have 2 parallel. So parallel should be like this, ना? so it can have at least only two parallel. So this is one parallel and this is another parallel. The common point of the tangent to a circle and the circle is called as point of contact. जहाँ पे वो contact में आएंगे उस point उसे हम point of contact कहते हैं. So let's solve some more question and let's understand how to solve the word problems related to the circle. And I am mentioning this thing, these are very important word problems. These problems have been asked in the competitive exam, so let's focus and let's try to understand how to solve these problems. So let's read the question. At tangent PQ, सबसे पहले क्या है, एक tangent PQ है at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is 12 cm. Length PQ is, we have to find out the length. Okay, so let's draw. First of all, let's draw a figure and let's try to illustrate it. Okay, so this is a tangent and it is meeting at a point P. So it will be like this, and this is the center of the circle, right? It's meeting here. अभी हमने एक बहुत important चीज़ पढ़ी थी when I was discussing what are tangents. Yeah, from the center of the circle the radius is perpendicular, means 90 degree. So this is the point P and this is Q. So this is given, this is OQ is 12 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter and this we have to find out. So this is a triangle. Okay, so this is a triangle, we have to find the unknown length. So the terms related to the triangles, you should know this. Let's have a revision, you must be knowing this. So this is known as base, this is known as perpendicular because it's 90 degree. So I will write it PRP, or we can write it like this also, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, so we have to find the base. Perpendicular is given, hypotenuse is given, and base we have to find out. So what is how we can find out the base of an triangle, unknown length of a triangle? So we basically use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem we can find out the unknown length of a triangle. So what is the relationship? Relationship is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, so this is our question. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is given is 12 square, perpendicular is given it's 5 square. We have to find base, and base we will write as PQ. So let's change it left hand side to right hand side. So it will become 12 square here and minus 5 square, and PQ square, it's square. So PQ now is equal to the square root of 144 minus 25, and now PQ is equal to 1 root square root of 119 centimeter. So this is the root 119 centimeter. So we have find the unknown length PQ. Okay, so let's solve one more question. So one more question we have at so our answer is correct. Okay, well done. So and whosoever has answered in the comment box, good. Let's try one more question. So this is the question, figure is given. If the given figure TP, TQ are the two tangents, that means they are 90 degree. Simple, right? Okay. Tangents to a circle with the center O. Now we have a center O, so that angle POQ is equal to 110. Then PTQ, we have to find this PTQ. अब ये दो दिए हुए हैं कि ये दो जो है ये perpendicular है, तो हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है. सो दिस इज अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, बेसिकली 4 साइडेड फिगर है. तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? इट्स ऑलरेडी गिवन. OPQ इज परपेंडिकुलर टू TP बिकॉज दे आर द टेंजेंट्स, राइट? एंड OQ is perpendicular to TQ, correct? Okay, that means angle OPT is 90 degree. because they are perpendicular, and angle OQT is equal to 90 degree, and angle POQ is given, that is POQ, it's given, it's already 110 degree. Let's find out this angle. So this is a quadrilateral, and we are using here the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property of the quadrilateral is that is all interior angles, sum of all the interior angles is equal to 360 degree. So let's add them all, and that is equal to 360 degree. Okay, angle POQ plus angle PTQ is equal to 360 degree. Let's substitute the values. 90 plus 90 plus, this is POQ, this is 110, plus angle PTQ is 360 degree. So that means I'm writing here angle PTQ is equal to 360 minus 290 degree, that is equal to 70 degree. So this angle is equal to 70 degree. You can also check 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 110 is 290 plus 70 is equal to 360. That means our answer is correct. Let's do one more question. The question is that if tangents PA and PB from point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at the angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to. Let's try to understand with the help of a diagram. So this is a circle, and what is saying, there are PA and PB. So let's try to draw PA and PB. It will be somewhat like this, and it will be like this. Okay, so it will be, let's name it the points P and B. Okay, so PA and PB from a point P is point A to the circle to the center with center are inclined to each other at the angle of 80 degree. So this angle is 80 degree, and what we have to find, angle POA. That means we have to find angle POA. That means we have to find this angle. Okay, now how we will find the angles? It's already given. That means OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB, correct? So that means angle OBP and equal to angle OAP equals to 90 degree. Is it correct? Because they are tangents, so they are perpendiculars. So let's take the quadrilateral AOBP. Let's take this quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, so I will write quadrilateral AOBP. We know all the angle sum is equal to 360 degree. Let's write the angle OBP plus angle OAP plus angle APB, correct, plus angle BOA is equal to 360 degree. Now this is 90, this is given 80 degree, and this is again given 90 degree, and we have to find, first we will find angle BOA. So we will find this whole angle BOA. Okay, so this is equal to 360, and this whole is equal to 260, and when we will subtract 260 from 360, we will get 100, right? So angle BOA is equal to 100. अब ये तो 100 आ गया, पर हमें ये वाला एंगल निकाला है, this PA. So I will mark it with the red one. So we have to calculate this angle. This angle is equal to, obviously it is half, it will be 50 degree, but how to solve? For that we have to first prove that the angles are congruent, sorry, the two triangles are congruent, so that we can prove that the angle is equal to half of the angle BOA. So now we are taking triangles POPB and triangle OAB. Okay, in this triangle we know AP is equal to BP, right? Tangents, because they are tangents. Okay, and you have to mention why it is equal. And we know OA is equal to OB because they are the radius of the circle. So, and we know OP is equal to OP, that is common. So which property is this? This is side and side property. By this property, SSS property, we have proved that triangle OPB is congruent to the triangle AOB. Okay, if they are if the two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, are congruent, that means the angle POB is equal to the triangle POA. Okay, and we know POA is equal to the half of the triangle BOA, which we have just proved is equal to 100 degree. So that means angle POA is half of the 100, that is equal to 50 degree. Okay, so 50 degree is the answer, but for that you have to prove that two triangles are congruent. Okay, so let's solve one more question. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to the circle, it's very similar to the first word problem, is 24 centimeter and distance of Q from the center is 25. The radius of a circle is, तो we have to find, हमें क्या find out करना है, हमें इस टाइम circle का radius find out करना है. That means we have to find the perpendicular. So it will be like this, the figure is like this. Okay, and we have a center point here O, and this is radius of the circle. So we have to actually calculate this, and this will be triangle again like this. This is the point Q here, and this is the point P. We are again taking the same point. So this is 25 centimeter given, and this is 24 centimeter given. Okay, so according to Pythagoras theorem, so we have do mention which theorem you are using, and okay, it's very important, you have to mention how you are solving the question. So you have to find the perpendicular, right? So here OP square plus PQ square is equal to OQ square, correct? Because this is the hypotenuse, this is the base, and this is the perpendicular. So we have to find this OP. That will be OQ square minus PQ square is equal to OP square, correct? So OQ is given 25 square minus 24 square is equal to OP square. Or we can write like this, OP is square root of 25 square is 625 minus 576. That is equal to, OP is equal to 49, root of 49, and we know 49 is a perfect square. That means OP is equal to 7 times 7 is 49, so square and root will cancel out. OP is equal to 7 centimeter. So these were some word problems, very important word problems, and I have tried to explain it in a very simple form. Hope this is going to help you. Let's now wind up what we have learned today. We have learned so many things. We have learned what circles are and so many terms related to the circle, types of circle, and also we have done some word problems. Thank you. Keep smiling. And our new session on circle 2 will be coming soon. So stay healthy and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Bye bye.